Hi, my name is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. Welcome to the month of July, where we are going to focus on a relaxing yoga practice. Be sure to always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine. In this session, I'm going to lead you through breathwork and guided meditation. So make sure you're either laying down or you're in a nice cozy seat, and let's begin. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. And just check into your body, taking an internal scan. Can you relax any muscles in your body that you're holding on to? Allow yourself to just completely disengage, giving yourself permission to let go and be here right now. Now, while you're here, notice your breath without changing it. Is it long, slow, fast? Now go ahead and anchor your mind in that breath and start to breathe in through your nose, slow and steady. Notice your chest expanding as you inhale, and as you exhale, releasing. Notice the smooth inhalation, the coolness coming in. Notice the light feelings that you get with the inhalation. And this time, as you exhale, open your mouth and go. Really try to hit the back of your throat with the pressure of the exhalation. Open your mouth and go. Same thing again, in through your nose, not forcibly. Whenever it comes, just completely full and steady. And now, as you exhale, release your jaw and push the air out against the back of your throat. Good. Now this time we're going to keep our mouth closed on the exhalation. Still hit the back of your throat, but let the warm air come out of your nose versus the back of your throat. It's almost like you can hear yourself breathing in and breathing out. Continue to do this with the deep inhales and exhales. These are Ujjayi breaths. A few more times, in and out, at your own pace to what feels good and best for you. Can you challenge yourself just a little here to breathe a little deeper, more smooth and steady? Allow yourself to embrace the feelings of the breath work. Telling yourself, I am calm, I release, I relax, I restore. Keep this breath work fluid in and out of you. Now place a word on the inhalation that you want to become more of. Whether it's calm, happy, relaxed. Place that word and embody it as you take a deep breath in. And release. Breathe in, embodying that word that you want to become more of. And then release. Now choose a different word that you still want to become more of, but place it on the exhale. So maybe the inhale is peace, and the exhale is happy. find those 2 words and embody as you inhale, feeling light in whatever that inhalation word is. And as you exhale, releasing, letting go. Feeling that other word. Now keep this breath work alive as you feel calm and in this relaxing state. And try to break up the 4 parts of this Ujjayi breathing. The inhale hitting the back of your throat without 1 word. Hold it. This is the second part. Hold it at the top. Now exhale, let it right out with that other word. Pause for that 4th part, 3rd part, and then 4th part, breathe in again. Now you can continue in this meditated state, breathing in these 2 words and exhaling out the other. So inhale 1 word, exhale out the other. Really embodying this and embracing it. Or you can drift away from those 2 words and start to follow my voice. Breathe in, pause, breathe out. Pause, breathe in. Pause, breathe out. Pause, and continuing to breathe. Allow your body to be completely relaxed as you keep breathing. Imagine that your body is becoming more heavy, more still in this moment, exactly where you're meant to be. Allow your mind to be filled just with those 2 words, with the inhale and the exhale. And allow the outside sensations start to just disintegrate around you. If you can imagine yourself from the outside looking in at yourself, being here, calm and just breathing. The inhale, pause, the exhale, pause. And let everything just kind of melt away. As you close your eyes and just start to drift off into the state for the next few moments. And go ahead and start to wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. Take a deep, refreshing inhale, feeling rejuvenated, refreshed. Maybe start to stretch out your arms, roll your shoulders around, or anything else that you need to, that just extra feels good to you. If you're lying down and want to curl up into a ball on the right-hand side, you can. And then very slowly coming back to a tall seat. Bringing your hands together and then placing them on your chest. Finding that connection with yourself, that breath within yourself. Breathe in deep. And exhale, may you continue in this calm state. Namaste.